Winnebago is really excited about their new flexible storage. Let's take a look. In all of these cabinets, you have adjustable shelving, which means you can store different size things. I love that this has a removable false floor so that you can store long hanging clothes, larger items. You do have rods in which to hang clothes if you choose not to use the shelves. You've got that over here. You've also got it over here in this pantry with the adjustable shelves and then a slide out drawer. Another really exciting storage that is offered in the Vita 24F is some hidden storage behind the dinette. Many of our guests travel with safes or with computer technology items. You can safely hide that away in this very flexible storage compartment. This also allows for extra sleeping surface if you have a tall guest that you're traveling with. For more information on the Winnebago Vita, check out our website, www.lichtsinrv.com, or give us a call at 1-800-343-6255 and speak with one of our sales consultants.